Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make a crispy skin baked potato. Oh my goodness. Don't just plop it in the oven. There's a couple of things you need to do. Not only is the skin going to be crispy because that's where the nutrients are, so we definitely want to eat the skin, it's going to be amazingly tasty. Oh my goodness. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my videos every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back. Star of the dish, the potato. Now don't just use any potato. This is a russet baking potato. Just a big russet potato. Don't use the starchy kind like Yukon Gold red potatoes. Those don't work so well when it comes to baked potatoes. You don't need to wrap it in foil. You don't need to do anything but what we're getting ready to do right now. The key here is going to be duck fat. Now, if you can't find duck fat in your local stores, check your health food stores or your healthier food grocery stores like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Earth Fare. I actually bought my duck fat at Earth Fare and I know you can get it online. But duck fat is what you want for your baked potato. Now, before we even get to the duck fat, we need to first prick some holes all in the potato. We need to let the steam release out of the potato so it will not explode, because the first step is to microwave it. Yes, now this is going to be an oven baked potato, so hang in there with me. Don't go anywhere yet. Matter of fact, while we're waiting, go ahead and give the video a like. Give it a thumbs up, if nothing else for effort. I really would appreciate it. Yes, make sure you poke holes all over your potato. Once this is done, we're going to microwave it on high for 5 minutes. So now we've got our potato in the microwave for 5 minutes. At this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven. You need to put it on 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat your oven because you need to have it ready. Our potato is out of the microwave and it is nice and hot, so please be careful. Use some tongs or something to hold your potato with. Now we're going to go in with this luscious duck fat, but before we do that, let me show you once again so that you can see what we're using. This is the duck fat up close and personal. Duck fat, we're also going to be putting on it some garlic powder. Use a little bit of Himalayan salt and black pepper. That's it. That's all you need, and it's going to be amazingly flavorful. So let's go ahead and go in and make sure you rub this duck fat on all over your potato. Make sure you do not leave any places undone. And if you heard that beep, that means my oven has preheated and it is ready. Now we're going to bake this in the oven that's preheated at 425 degrees for about 45-50 minutes, just until the skin is nice and crispy and the potato is done inside. You'll know because that skin will be so crispy when you just touch it with a fork. It's going to be amazing. Don't be afraid to put a little extra duck fat on there because this duck fat, oh my. If you've never cooked with duck fat before, amazing. Whoa, amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and salt it. You want to salt it generously because this is going to give it added flavor all around on all sides. Then go in with a little black pepper, or as much as you like. Turn it over. Make sure you get both sides. You want all sides to be crispy, all sides to be flavorful, and garlic powder. Now from here, we are going to sit this on our oven rack just as it is. We are not putting it on a tray, no foil or anything, just like this. So let's go on over to the oven so I can show you how I sit it in there. Guys, there's the potato. Here's the oven. You want to sit it directly on your oven rack. I have foil beneath my rack just in case there's an accident or something, but as you can see, it's sitting directly on the oven rack. Okay, we'll be back when it's all done. Ooh, okay, we are out of the oven. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Can you hear the crispiness on it already? Ooh, look at that. Hear that? Oh my goodness, and it smells amazing. Oh my goodness, we're going to open this up. And it is hot. It is hot. I don't know which knife was going to work the best. Trying to hold this while it's hot. Ooh. Oh my goodness. You want to get that butter in there while it's nice and hot. Yes. I like to cut it going both ways a little bit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can push this open a little bit. And I'm going to need let me see here. Oh, it's hot. Woo, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. But can you hear the crispiness on the skin, guys? Listen. Can you hear that crispiness? Yes, we want to open it all the way up. The first thing we want to do is, this is just regular butter that I have in a Tupperware dish, and I'm going to add some sour cream to it too. But first, we want to get a little butter in here and get that kind of stirred up with our potato. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Rustic meal, rustic meal. Ooh, this is by far the crispiest, tastiest baked potato on the planet. Ooh, yes it is, yes it is. And I am so happy that each of you all came to hang out with me in my kitchen today. Don't forget to give the video a like, guys, and share it out, share it out. Look at that. Look at how luscious the potato is inside. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You just want to fluff it up, if you can see that in there. Fluff it up. Now we're going to actually go in and garnish it with our butter and our sour cream. Sorry for reaching over in front of that. Oh yes, this is just some butter I had that was melted, and I put it in this container. This is just regular butter. I'm going to get a good scoop here. Yes. That aside. Open it up a little wider. Get that scoop in there. Let that sit up there like that. And we're going to put a scoop of, less butter in there. We're going to put a scoop of, look at me, I'm just making a hot mess, aren't I? We are going to put a scoop of sour cream on it. If you don't like sour cream, simply leave it out. But I love sour cream on my baked potato. Get that in there too. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yes, delicious, delicious, delicious. And we're going to go in with just a few scallions just to go ahead and garnish the top. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.